Hello everyone! In this video I'll explain how this free point of sale and inventory control software works. This program is suitable for any barcode reader and ticket printer. To enter, we double-click on the icon named VentaExpress 1.0 and enter the username admin and the password 123456. This is the main window where the sales are made. But first, we go to the top menu in Products and Products Edition. We go where it says Code. We read the code of the product with the barcode reader and enter the name of the product, the quantity in stock, the cost price, the selling price, and the category with which the product will be associated. And then we click on Save. To modify any product, we have to read the barcode of the product. The system identifies it and then we can modify any of the data but the barcode. We can save it again or click on the delete button to remove it from the inventory. The cancel button is to cancel the above. Now we can close this window and return to the main window. To make a sale, we position ourselves in the code and read the barcode of the product to be sold. The number of times you read any product will be the number of units that will be added to the list. Then we can read a second product. If we want to sell by entering the manual quantity, we click here where it says Manual Quantity. Read the product code once, enter the quantity to sell and press the Enter key. Then we click on the Pay button and select the payment method. If the payment is in cash, we can type in how much money the customer pays to know the change to be given. We press Enter and confirm the payment. The sale will be added to the proceeds of the day and the product sold will be deducted from the inventory. In the day's collection, we can see the total sales and the different types of payments made. The software works with hourly margins, which means that when we close the system, the day's sales are over. And if we go in again, we see that the day's collection is at 0. The sales previously made are in Reports Collection. Here, we can search for sales by day or by month. And in Reports, Product Stock, we can see the inventory by category, description, or code. Remember that this software is free and you guys can download it from the link in the video description.